I'm Dr. Nima, and today we'll be continuing our series of more expensive things that you can do to stay looking young. And I have to devote one video to each of these because as we get more expensive, it generally becomes more complicated, so there's more to discuss. If you want to know more plastic surgery secrets or have any questions about plastic surgery, please hit the follow button and you can list them in the comments below. So let's talk about the lower eyelid. As you may or may not know, I did a video demonstrating my own results from a lower blepharoplasty. So a lower blepharoplasty is where fat is taken from below the eyelid and is either moved to the lower portion or simply removed. I prefer to move the fat. So we take the fat that's up a little bit higher that is causing the bag, and we move it to the trough or the tear trough that's below to help fill that in. And what that does is it takes away just from the tired look. So if you have bags, I had bags also, people would tell me that I look tired, and getting the surgery will definitely make you feel more refreshed. In general, there are two approaches to lower blepharoplasty. One I don't like is the external incision. So there's an incision that goes just underneath the eyelashes, but there's a 5% risk of it causing roundness in the corner, like your skin can actually get pulled down, and it's something that's very difficult to correct. I prefer going inside the eyelid. There's no visible excision or scar, so it goes inside right there. It's done under a little bit of sedation anesthesia so you don't feel it, and I isolate. There are 3 different fat pockets underneath the eyes. I isolate each one and then stitch them to the skin below so that not only do you remove the pockets of fat, but you also get like a little bit of a cheek lift, which makes you look a little younger. So let's look at some before and after results. Let's take a look at these results. This is a young woman who came to see me. You can see how bad her bags are. She has hyperpigmentation or darkening of the skin underneath her eyes. And in this particular patient, I removed the fat, moved it down just a little bit, and you can see it's nice and smooth. I mean, she just looks a lot more refreshed and a lot younger. This is all done through incisions inside the eye, so there's no external cut. Here's another woman in her 60s who came to see me. I did a facelift on her as well as her lower eyelid surgery. Again, you see the bag, especially along the inner corners, and it's a lot more smooth after surgery. You can see on both sides, and again, just overall rejuvenates the lower eyelid skin. Finally, men get this procedure done too. You can see his tired look to the eyes, these little fat pockets here and here. There's the hollowing that goes below, so it's bulgy and then hollow, and now it's a lot more smooth and a lot more refreshed after surgery. So this is a great procedure to look younger and look more refreshed. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please list them in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.